Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. My friends call me Luke, and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. My brother Levi or I would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2014 Roadtrek Ranger with only 58,093 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2014 Roadtrek Ranger. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a family-owned and operated dealership since 1976. Today, my brother Levi and I are in charge of the office. Our brother-in-law Greg is in charge of the shop. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We will go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. So this Roadtrek Ranger is very similar to a Roadtrek 190 Popular. So if you're familiar with those from our channel, this is very, very similar. Without any further ado, we're going to get rolling on this unit. So we got hard surface flooring here. Got a table mount in the front and back in the rear. Got about 73 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach. Nice, easily accessible entryway. Got a window that opens with a screen. The mechanism to open that's behind this little triangle flap. Got privacy curtains. Also got a privacy curtain that goes all the way around the front. So you can pull this around the front to block off the windshield. Got your porch light switch. Got a switch here to turn the inverter on. What that does is takes your DC coach battery power and inverts that back to AC power, perhaps to watch the TV in the rear or plug something into AC power. Got your battery disconnect. That disconnects your coach batteries from everything inside the unit, prevents parasitic draw. That also disconnects the charging systems, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, or the alternator while you drive. Water pump on off, that turns the water pump on and pumps the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sinks, shower, toilet. Got your levels test here for your liquid propane gas, your coach battery, fresh black and gray tanks. Generator start stop switch. There's a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified own and techs that has 80 hours. Got your fuse panel here. We've got your 110 breakers, your AC breakers, and your 12 volt DC fuses behind that. Flip you around now. We got a standard microwave that runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Got an aluminum backsplash. This window does not open. However, you can slide this curtain across for privacy. Got a 110 outlet here and over here. Also got a table stored down here. 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin stainless sink. This is a 12 volt fridge freezer. So you got your freezer up top. It's a 12 volt, meaning it runs off of your DC coach battery, 12 volt system. If you're plugged in, the plug is powering the batteries, which are powering the fridge. Got a tankless water heater. Got your table legs there on the right. I'm going to flip around now to the passenger side again and check out the restroom area. So we got a nice enclosed wet bath here. Not too much of a step to get up and in. An exhaust fan overhead. So essentially, you're going to pull this shower curtain around you and do everything inside of this bathroom area here. Water drains right into the floor. Nice big storage bays here, go all the way back. Got your DVD player that controls your TV here. Got a Cool Cat AC heat pump in the rear that runs off the shore power plug-in or the generator only. It's controlled via the thermostat here. The heat pump portion will work down to around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature. Below that, you will have to use the propane furnace. Another storage cabinet. So we got a power sofa in the rear here. Push a button, this will run down to make the bed. Got 2 belts in the rear as well, so a total of 4 belts in this unit. Basically push the button, run the bed down. You can sleep 2 people separately. It's very popular, that way you don't have to crawl over each other at night if you gotta get up and go to the restroom. You can also make up a big bed here in the back by spanning this gap. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements. The twin sleepers measure approximately 73 inches long and 26 inches wide on the driver's side, and just a little shorter at about 70 inches long on the passenger side. If you make up the big bed in the back, it will measure approximately 70 to 73 inches front to back and 70 inches side to side. Here we are sitting at the rear of the motorhome. Got your propane furnace here that creates the heat by burning propane. The 12-volt coach battery powers the fan. It's controlled via the thermostat over here. This is the switch for the power sofa. Got a TV here. This can swivel out to face the front. The front 2 chairs both swivel. You could potentially watch TV from the front. The driver's seat will be a little more impeded because of the cabinet behind it. Got windows that open on both sides in the rear with screens on the lower. The speakers in the rear are run to the head unit up front, so whatever you're listening to up front, you will also hear in the back. Got a 110 outlet there. Counter flip out. Got this other window that opens. These are cup holders. Got a 110 outlet here. Another speaker. What do you get when you walk behind a motorhome? Exhausted. Got your fantastic fan in the center of the coach that runs on the coach battery. Can act like an exhaust fan for the restroom area. Also can be an attic fan at night. If you open up the windows, turn that on, you'll bring the cool outside air in. Some storage areas up top. Got your manuals there if I didn't mention that already. This light back here is being a little finicky. I'm gonna have the guys take a look at that. Might be a bad bulb or something in there. All in all though, this is a really, really nice coach. Very minimal blemishes, very good condition. It's gone through our full inspection process, ready to hit the highway with its new owner. This is a unique unit, having a straight body camper van like a Roadtrek 190 that has this enclosed wet bathroom. So unique offering here, very clean specimen. I'm gonna call this one a 9 to a 9.5. Check it out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealership around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we've got power windows, power locks. Got a nice vinyl flooring up front, so that makes it easy to keep it clean. Got a little glove box down here. The cigarette lighter is gone. I'm not noticing any signs of smoking in the form of stains, burns, funny smells. So while it's tough to say for certain, I'm gonna call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty folks, so we're gonna go around the outside of this 2014 Roadtrek Ranger. This RV measures 20 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 1319 date codes. This Roadtrek is built on a Chevy 3500 chassis with a 4.8 liter V8 engine, 58,093 miles. Nice shiny exterior on this one. Got your porch light, furnace exhaust, coach battery. Got the engine exhaust and the generator exhaust. These clips are meant to run the awning legs to. I prefer to run those directly to the ground. You can avoid breaking those more easily by running those directly to the ground. Got your AC coming out the top here. Tow package, backup camera. Got a full-size spare down here. Got your awning crank. Got a little boo-boo on the door. Got the fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Generator stop running around a quarter tank. Outside shower, it's convenient for pets, kids, things like that. Keep the messes out of the RV. Got your city water coming in here. You can fill the onboard freshwater tank by opening this valve. That will fill it directly from the city water connection. Got a storage bay here. Got your shore power cord coming in. Outside shower hose, city water hose, dog bone adapter. Got your propane tank. We got a gauge here, a valve to turn that on and off. This is where that's filled. A little tough to see, but we've got your sewer down below here. Got the gray and the black. Open the black first, then the gray. About that, got a phone call that cut the video. We've got the fill for the onboard freshwater tank there, so just stick the hose filler in there, fill your main tank up. We've got a small boo-boo on the hood there, just a little dent. But all in all, this is a very, very nice looking Roadtrek.